Hey everyone, happy Monday. How's it going? Congrats. Why is climax? Uh, anyway, welcome. 13 more fries? Yeah. Are you saving up for the armor or something? Is that what you're doing? Okay. How is everyone? Okay, Cyrus, calm down. We'll play Tapper. You're excited? I can tell. Yeah, you're gonna save up for the armor. Yeah, we're back with more God of War. Yeah, I really don't think this is a very long game. I don't remember, but it seems like I'm probably already a third through the game. So, but yeah, we'll see. Enjoying it so far. I just always forget how amazing the PS2 is. Just how much of a game changer it was, console-wise. And then I'm gonna be playing Tears of the Kingdom. Neil's working on it right now. Well, not right now. Not right, meow. Right, meow. He's sitting next to me. They can't hear you. He says hello. I don't know why he's not on mic. Are you gonna go play Tears of the Kingdom? Probably. Yeah. Yeah. Because you're watching videos. Oh, take a look at my new shirt. My new Peaches shirt. Yeah. I guess that's it. As always, we can take a break and play a game like Metal Slug 5 off the arcade machine. It does not have to be Metal Slug 5.
That shirt isn't new. You've had that since Father's Day.
I think it's the first time I've worn it on stream.
Oh.
Is the difference.
Oh.
Ow. Well, and Father's Day was just a couple weeks ago. So.
True.
I will not be doing 100% on Tears of the Kingdom.
He never does that.
I never do 100%. Yeah, I don't do 100%. I do the story. I like the story. So, yeah, that would be a lot to do. Like, I'm sure it has. I don't know much, but I hear the sounds of Tears of the Kingdom from the other room, and I'm like, isn't that Breath of the Wild? It sounds exactly the same. Yeah, that's what, and I can't play either God of War. It didn't remaster. Yeah, I saw someone, messaged me on Twitter saying that there are remasters on the PS3 of God of War 1 and 2 and PS Vita version, something like that. So, all right. Cyrus Borg wants me to play Tapper in our gamer. Oh. Is that what it was? Is it on media or is it a PSN game? $67 $9.75. It's funny, it's close to that score that's up there, which was Donkey Kong, I believe, from last night. Beep, 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 beep. PSN. Yeah. There it is. Right. I got this. Oh my goodness. Don't see you're psyching me out right now. All right, let's play some Tapper. That first level just determines the whole game right there. Why Shipwreck are you gonna say? Are your legs gonna say that?
Oh lord, it's Tapper again. Y'all have a serious Tapper thing.
One. That was pretty good. You were doing Bulgarian split squats. Oh my goodness.
Not even sure what that is.
I don't even know. Only the Bulgarians know.
I probably would die.
Thick thighs save lives, exactly.
Oh, I don't know that mine are. Mine are thick. Oh my god.
Yeah, it gets harder as you get once you get to the to the punk rock place. It gets pretty hard, especially because they're going different directions, and so it can get hard to figure out like which direction to go and stuff. What's amazing is look, the lowest score on the high score is like 53. All right, let's try it again.
I think my knees would not like that.
Did
I
you
looked
Google it?
up, yeah. Hey, pass.
Hey, pass. Meowdy. Crap. Hey, Converso. How's it going? Conroverso. I missed the syllable in there. Ah, man. Still didn't do it. It's almost like I need to stay in the stadium a little bit longer, make those levels go a little bit longer and get some points there, because it gets really hard when I get to the punk rock place. I wonder if there's a level beyond the punk rock place. I wonder where we go after that. So, all right, let's play a third game. Oh, fucking A. Oh. Like level 1 is too slow. Crap! Crap, I did. I lost the. I threw two. I was so used to doing the punk bar that I threw 2 beers on the first level instead of 1. Well, so far, okay. Oh, 2 a.m. Well, come relax with us, Controverso. All right, let's play one more game of Tapper, and hopefully I can get close to 67. All right, let's try it. Let's concentrate. 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 Dang it. 58. Well, got close. Got close. Oh well. That's fine. You can definitely watch the stream while working. Shepherd's pie. Yeah, the can dancers. Da, 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 da. Well, even in the punk rock bar, you would think they would have like different music for like if it was a like if it was the punk rock bar, it would have like still the same music but have a punk vibe to it. But nope. All right. Let's play some. Sorry, Cyrus. I'm. That was must be a really good score that I got. I must have been on fire that day. So let's get back to God of War. Let's see. That looks right. 148. We'll try again. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Loading. All right. So we were. Oh, that's right. We had just gotten the key. Wow. I think Neil is a giant. Use the key. Yes. Uh-oh. That's not good. Another safe spot.
Go, go, go!
Kratos is so strong. Rooftops of Athens. Pull back on the left analog spur. Double jump. I see. Does it mean? It's down. It's been. How's God of War? There we go. Poor guy. Look at this. Oh, now remember. Cut when it changes resolution, we lose the signal for a second. Some of this is, you know, I gotta remember how to play the game. It was all of yesterday when I was playing
there's an arrow guy. Gotta remember to block that. Up here, shooting me? I'm out. Crap. It's much easier when you have the same button over and over again. I don't know what the chances of that are, but... You know, I think those exact same bad guys are from Castlevania. Yeah, I agree, Pass. I've been loving playing on the PS2. Was it Ubisoft? Well, maybe Ubisoft did the all the different open world games, but it feels like GTA was the first like start of that kind of open world shit. Where do I need to go? I just jump off the ledge. Yeah! Oh, I can't. How I go this way? I don't think that was the way I was supposed to go. Maybe. Hack and slash games, yeah. I just love how smooth this game is. Maybe this isn't the way I was supposed to go. Seems like that was the way I was supposed to go. Oops, sorry. Wait, no, not sorry. You're an asshole. Ah, that was it. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's just so I can go this way. What if I want to go this way? Oh, that's the way I came.
breached the city! What will reinforcement?
I see. Oh, fuckers. Oh, I can't. Oh, I thought I could get through there. All right, someone want to do exclamation mark death for me? Thank you, Flaming Baguette. All right. Let's try this again.
Go, go, go! Ares has breached the city! What will reinforcement?
I definitely think that's the direction I'm supposed to go, but let's go this way. Let's see what's over here. There we go. I mean, I'm definitely not getting the max stuff. You know what? Let's look and see what we can upgrade here. We didn't upgrade our Gorgon. Although I don't really like the Gorgon. Let's upgrade this. You missed out? What did you miss out on? Okay, so now there's that thing over there. I guess I'm supposed to jump over to that column? Ooh, that was close. Oh, the death count. Oh, come on! It's like you can't get hit while you're jumping, or it makes you do that. There you go, evil bud.
Go, go, go! Ares has breached the city! What will reinforcement?
Yeah, I meant to die like that so that you could do the death. By the way, I hate instant death stuff like this. At least, I think Lords of Shadow didn't do that. Exactly. Ah! There. I waited, got shot, and then jumped. Old Batman Diet Coke commercials popped up on your YouTube feed today. Really? Am I supposed to? I guess I'm supposed to do that. Could I use the health? No.
here? That's a ladder. Try this. Oh, come on. I pushed him off that ledge. Space 1999. I'm glad I'm in there somewhere. But you're like, I've already seen it. I was there live. Hey, YouTube did a survey to me because they know I'm an LGBT content creator, and they were like asking me if I felt YouTube celebrated LGBT creators, and I'm like, no, like I don't see them doing anything. There we go. I'm supposed to jump across. Now where? Go down. This is the rooftops of Athens. What this is what it said.
You! I must get across. Release the lever. Extend the bridge.
No, no. I won't let them get me. They won't get across. These monsters, they'll tear me apart.
Coward.
Okay. Oh. I've done that several times now. Where I'm supposed to do R2 and I'm like, yeah, Grunk, pull the lever! Thanks for a gift sub, Conreverso.
you so much. Like Worf? He is not Worf. Well, I know he's voiced by, if you ever watched Stargate, Teal'c from Stargate is who voices Kratos. I don't know if he's voicing him here or if that's in the later ones. But I remember the actor. Oh, have I just gone in a circle? Yeah. Ooh, one more Gorgon eye. Chris Judge, is that his name? He's a cool guy. That wasn't where to go. This is where I came. This is where I came up, right? Oh, maybe I was supposed to come back here. It seems like a hop in place. Shared an eye. That's right. There was only one eye, right? Logo off. He's off in the other room playing Here's the Kingdom. I don't like how it doesn't remember which one I did. 48, 58. (2018) and the sequel. Okay, so yeah, so he's he's not playing it in this game. But yeah, I've seen him. Didn't he win an award recently? Like the Video Game Awards or something? That looks promising. Yeah, thank you so much. Am I supposed to shoot that? Am I supposed to turn it? Can I turn it? Oh, I can move it. Can I rotate it? Can't rotate it. Well, let's go this way and see. I wonder if I'm supposed to shoot this door down. It is a reinforced door. You feel powerful yet benevolent. You feel a powerful yet benevolent presence radiating from the other side. I see. Terrence Carson voiced. I see. I don't know him though. This. Health is always good. I'm always a health over magic kind of guy. There is no man-on-man minigame, unfortunately. Kratos appears to be heterosexual. Which, come on. There's no way.
Didn't everyone swing both ways back then? Ow. I was hitting the wrong button. Can we please, like, go out into the hallway and do this? No, Greek God, our heterosexual. No. Oh, come on. All right, fine. Gotta block that better. I think. Oh, I'm not sure. It is a broken lever. At one time, it opened the door at the end of the room. Now it is. No. So here's what I was thinking. Can I drag this in here? That is true. This was known for that. No. I'm just gonna put it on this little rotating thing. Oh shit. Okay. We can solve these things. I have the mental powers. Boom. Now. Uh-oh. Oh, not quite enough. Alright, I guess I gotta do this.
Grow stronger as your journey continues. But if you are to succeed in your quest, you will need my aid. I offer you the power of the greatest of all the gods, the father of Olympus. I offer you the power of Zeus.
Speaking
Take
of
this
Zeus.
weapon, Kratos. Take this power and use it to defeat your enemies.
I have acquired Zeus's Fury. Select Zeus's Fury by pressing down. Press L2 to activate the attack.
You have done well, Kratos. Go with the gods. Go forth in the name of Olympus.
Oh, I see. I kind of took a side road there. Oh, what if can I shoot those guys now? Hold down L2 to aim Zeus's Fury while pressing it. That's gonna open that. Yeah. There you go. Oh, hello. Yes. Go. I like more health. Going. That it? Exactly. It is a grower. Now where? This way? That's the way we came. Oh, I know where I need to go now. Okay. We need to go back from whence we came. Oh, we can save here. Let us play some Fry's Quest.
It reminds me a little bit. There was a ride. They recently closed it here at Universal Studios called Poseidon's Adventure or Poseidon's Fury, and it was really cool ride and everything like that. Oh, let's see if anyone who didn't play last stream. I'll give it a few seconds, Cyrus, and then you can come in. It was pretty cool. It just recently closed. There you go. Matthew J opened it up.
Having a special today.
What was cool is it had this waterfall, and then it parted water, and it did like a water tunnel, and you walked through it, and then you walked into this one room that looked really small, and then they'd hit you with a flash of light, and then the walls and the roof would disappear, and it was this big, and they were like projecting Zeus and projecting stuff up onto these waterfalls and stuff. It was pretty cool. It was just you stand there and watch a little thing, but it was kind of cool. I liked it. And I used to always say beard goals with Poseidon there, because he had very much a beard like this. It was pretty cool. But they just, like I said, they just closed it like last month. I don't know what they're building there, but they closed it. I mean, it wasn't really guess it was a dark ride. Kinda. You didn't ride, you just like walked through it. It was fun though. Hey, it's Austin. How's it going?
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
We're taking a quick break and playing an RPG that I made called Fry's Quest. Poseidon's pretty straight. Oh, damn it. I always said beard goals though. Now I kind of have his
Ready
beard.
for battle.
Oh,
Ready for battle.
I'm ready for sleep. I'm tired. Yeah, now I am the beard goal. Exactly. All right, I'm gonna be right back. See you in a little bit.
having a special today. On nothing! No, we aren't calling those meals meals.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
Ready for action.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep. to Neil's Deals. We're not satisfied until you're not satisfied. You all
Ready
heal
for
too
action.
much. I need to raise these prices.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Ready for battle.
Ready for battle.
Ready for action. Ready for action.
I used to be an adventurer like you until I took an arrow in the knee.
Hello. How's the battle been going? Looks like everyone's alive. I must make these creatures more difficult. And Dark Passenger yayed and got the fry. Is there a correlation between that? I don't know. It'd be funny if I did program that, but it's not. It's rigged. All rigged. Alright. All of it. It's all rigged. Okay, so we need to go back up here. Remember there was that dude, he's like, I'm like, pull the lever, boy. And he wouldn't do it. Basically, I did this out of order. But it is okay.
You! I must get across! Release the lever! Extend the bridge!
No, no! I won't let them get me. They won't get across. These monsters, they'll tear me apart.
Coward.
Yeah, I was pretty sure that's what they wanted me to do. Once I got that power, I was like, oh, I know where I needed to go. I know. One more feather. Gorgon eye. It's like he's like Link. He sees a pot, he must destroy the pot. I killed him. Link but angry? Yeah, I guess so. Seems like it. I'm going down. I going to the same spot? Aha! There's no way to where to go there. Seems pretty sus to me.
Oracle!
Kratos! Praise Athena, you've arrived! Ah!
Does every woman have no top in this game?
No! Kratos! Kratos! Find me! You must find me! Athens depends on it!
Town square. True, technically they did have a top on, it was just see-through. I just feel like there should be equal rights and we should have men who have see-through bottoms. Come on, I was hitting you. Alright, let's see. I should have enough now for that. You said the equal should be that they both have see-through tops. Alright. Cyclone of Chaos. L1 square. Triangle, 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 square. Got all that? Temple of the Oracle.
This is what you send out against me? Come on. Meow. There's another one. Oh. It's going okay, Riku. I played the first one. In fact, we'll probably play the second and third one soon.
Good. Athena has chosen wisely. I knew it was so.
Who are you?
So, you have the blades, the skin as pale as the moon. You are the one indeed. Perhaps Athens will survive at that. But be careful. Don't want you dying before I'm done with this grave.
A grave? In the middle of a battle? Who will occupy it, old man?
You will, my son.
I'm liking it.
Oh, I've got a lot of digging to do indeed. All will be revealed in good time. And when all appears to be lost, Kratos, I will be there to help.
You got stuff on you there, dude.
Don't disturb me now, son. I've got my work to do, and you have yours, and precious little time left to do either.
Yeah, I have the second one, and the Wii U is right there. Ready to play. I've had it for a while, so I'm hoping to play it soon. There we go. Magic meter increased. The Gorgon Eye. Save. Make sure there's not anything around here. Nice. Awesome. Congrats on getting your arcade up and going. Yeah, that's true. It's over on YouTube.
somewhere. Yeah, you just search for Bayonetta and you'll find the playlist. It was fun. It didn't seem like it was long ago, but I guess it probably was. It was probably a year ago, right? Or 2. Probably not 2. Probably a year ago. 'Cause I was busy playing... 2 years ago, I was busy playing Legend of Zelda. Thanks, Flame Vega. Oh, do I need to, like, stop that or something? Do I need to seal that? A way to seal it? Ow. Before Xenoblade? I mean... that was a long game. Although Pokemon Diamond was just as long. Did it feel like I was on Pokemon Diamond forever when I was playing it? But I enjoy concentrating on one game though. So I do enjoy that. Yeah. Well, I find my my viewership varies greatly with what I play. Pokemon is one of my... But Pokemon, believe it, Pokemon and Tomb Raider are usually my most watched streams for some reason. I'm always curious to see what people are gonna enjoy playing. Okay, I see that. What should I do? I didn't see that. I wonder if I need to, like, Zeus it up. Oh, maybe. Oh. I can pull these out. Hey, stop. Y'all need to stop being so rude. Stop being rude. Okay, if I can move those, can I move others? Yeah. I find people like to watch me play their favorite games. You know, they enjoy seeing me. It's definitely a nostalgic factor. I recognized that when I was doing Legend of Zelda. Let's, you know what? Let's seal this one up first. down. Too bad I couldn't smush it. Get them all. We did. Open this up. Great. Here, let's get this. Although I don't need it. Woohoo! That I should have played the meme. I'm getting that from this. You should have played the remake. I'm doing well, Taliel. How's you doing? How's it going? I am Kratos. I will kill you. I mean, if you're just gonna stand there, come on. He does. He's very gentle when he needs to be. Ask the women. I always feel like I'm adjusting the audio in this game.
Kratos, hurry!
My boob saved me. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Oh. What does this do? What's this? Nothing. Nothing. Like there's stuff up there.
Kratos, find a way up! You have to get to me!
This looks broken. It was broken. Ooh, another Gorgon eye. I'm making good progress there. That was too much like bathing.
What are you doing? I'm up here!
I see you. I see you. Oh, does he use the axe a lot? The other games? There's a lock on the door, the symbol of the oracle carved into its surface. Only the oracle of Athens can unlock this door, so we have to save her. Okay.
What are you doing? I'm up here!
I see you.
Kratos, hurry!
Shit. Did I just jump down and now I can't? Oh, okay.
What is keeping you? Kratos, hurry! Waste time!
Okay, okay. Goodness, hold your horses. See what this does. What's back here? Nothing. What about back here? Nothing. This fire, this looks like maybe I should stop this fire with some water?
Kratos, get me down!
What if I were to stop the whatchamacallits?
What is keeping you? Athens crumbles!
Pillar on top of the pillar? Oh, maybe, yeah, maybe make a boop, boop. Over to here? Yeah, that's a possibility. Make it a boopable thing.
What is keeping you? Athens crumbles as you waste time!
I'm not wasting time. I'm trying to save you. Jesus. Oh wait, they don't know who Jesus is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking if we tried to get over there. That's what I'm thinking. Let's try it.
What is keeping you? Athens crumbles as you wait.
Crap! It's hard because the camera angle is not quite conducive to making that jump. I was surprised I made the first jump.
What are you doing? I'm up here.
Let's move it. Oh, I thought I could make that jump.
What are you doing? I'm up here.
Ba, ba, ba. I don't even know if this is what I'm supposed to be doing, but it seems logical. Oh. Well, that sucked.
Kratos, get me down.
Oh my god! That seems like that was perfect.
Kratos, get me down.
Yeah, now, you know, if this were Tomb Raider, I'd actually already have this. Tomb Raider's very blocky, right? It's very precise. It's very square, you know? I'd actually already have this done if this were Tomb Raider. Oh, crap. See, what I'm thinking is there is like a little sparkle on top of that, and so that's why I'm thinking I need to go over there.
Athens crumbles as you waste time.
Unless someone has a better idea. Seems like the right thing to do. I could maybe stack them one on top of the other.
To get to me.
Hint? I guess, am I doing it right or not? Is this the right thing to be doing? No.
What is keeping you?
Wrong approach. Okay.
You waste time.
Okay. Huh. Okay, let me think about it. Okay, I have an idea. What if I were to just plunge these into here? Oh, I can't. I thought it was a good idea, though.
What is keeping you? Athens crumbles as you waste time.
Gosh, woman. Hi.
What is keeping you? Athens crumbles as you waste time.
Should I try and stack them? That doesn't seem right either. Let's look around. Didn't put them in the water. I think they should go there. This looks suspicious. Mainly because the camera's doing shit.
Kratos, find a way up. You have to get to me.
Oh, there is vines up there. Okay. Let's look at this again.
What are you doing? I'm up here.
Nude men on the columns? Where? Where?
Kratos, get me down.
Oh wait, is this? No. Oh,
Kratos, get me down.
I see. Here? Yeah, see, she's up there, right?
Doing? I'm up here.
Yeah, I see you. Huh, let's look. What if I,
Kratos, hurry! What are you doing? I'm up here.
that didn't work.
What are you doing? I'm up here.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I did guess correctly at one point. Oh, great. Okay.
Kratos, find a way up! You have to get to me!
Good thing this elevator senses when you're there. Wait, wait, wait. I guess I gotta push it onto the elevator.
Kratos, get me down!
She's annoying, Kratos. You're better off without her. I don't see how this helps me, except maybe I could get her down? Can I climb this statue?
Kratos, find a way up! You have to get to me! What is keeping you? Athens crumbles as you waste time!
I'm not wasting time. We're all learning. She needs to have patience. Just a little patience. Oh, fuck. Just a little patience.
Kratos, get me down!
Ah! She needs to hang on. Exactly. Come on. The chest in the far wall. Let me try one more time. See if I can jump it.
What are you doing? I'm up here!
Let's see, that's a blind jump. You talking about like put it over here? I guess I could. I guess I could put it here, and then I'd be able to get up there. There you go.
What are you doing? I'm up here!
Silence. Kratos is thinking. Great. Now it's in the way. Now I feel if I only had one, this would be okay.
What are you doing?
Oh, look, I was able to get up here.
Help me, Kratos, please!
Okay. So now, okay. So what if I...
What are you doing? I'm up here!
Oops. crap. Ugh. That scene, I guess?
We can help you! We can save Athens, but you must hurry!
Holy crap.
Kratos, hurry!
Oh, fuck, I'm timed?
Guard the bow! Don't let me fall! Help me, Kratos, please!
You're not helping. Eight, 7, 6. Oh, she left. So close. So close. Oh, look it gave me kind of a
Don't let me fall!
sausage and pasta. Nice. Yeah, we ordered from an Italian restaurant tonight. We had some tortellini with prosciutto. A little salty, but it was pretty good. I feel like I'm much more ahead this time. I just need to go. I was panicking a little bit, so I'm not gonna panic this time. Come on. I was just there. I was there. Come on.
Kratos, hurry! Guard the bow! Don't let me fall!
Never order Alfredo from a restaurant. Oh, really? Why is that?
Help me, Kratos, please!
Her performance is flat. Cutscene? I guess I did it.
Set in motion the events that would lead to his downfall.
Kratos, as Athena herself has foretold. But you are late, perhaps too late to save Athens. Or is it Athens you have come to save?
No, I can't. We must not stop.
And when the Oracle looked into his soul, she saw a beast as well as a man. Once a captain in the Spartan army, Kratos had begun his command with only 50 soldiers. But soon his numbers grew to the thousands.
Jugs of the Oracle.
His tactics were brutal, but effective. Drunk with power, he was feared by all, except one. His wife was the only one to brave his fury.
How much is enough, Kratos? When will it end?
When the glory of Sparta is known throughout the world.
The glory of Sparta. You did this for yourself.
His desire for conquest knew no bounds, but that which he desired would ultimately consume him.
By the gods, why would Athena send one such as you?
Stay out of my head!
Choose your enemies wisely, Kratos. Your brute strength alone will not be enough to destroy Ares. Only one item in the world will allow you to defeat a god. Pandora's box, which lies far beyond the walls of Athens, hidden by the gods across the desert to the east. But be warned, Kratos. Many have gone in search of Pandora's box. None have returned.
Why, thank you. It is. I see, Riku. Why? Okay, why? Why is there different routes? It is a strange monument. You are not sure of its meaning or purpose. A statue of Athena. She is not responding to your prayers. Okay. Standing here gives you a foreboding feeling. It's as if your ultimate fate were tied to this very ledge. Okay, so I guess this isn't where I'm supposed to go yet. Doop-a-doo. Someone needs to turn on a light in Sparta. It is awfully dark. Oh. A little sword bridge. Is this the Monado? Lend me your power. Oh, this is neat. I'm getting dizzy. Aha, I knew there'd be something at the bottom. The sewers up. Ah! I'm just gonna have to take care of these guys. Oh my god. Alright, I'm doing terrible. Alright, fucking A. I am dead. Dead as a doornail. I guess I'm gonna have to concentrate on the guys and then get the arrow guys later. I think I wanted to go ahead and get him. There we go. I go over there? And I was gonna say there's a thing. Gotta got that. And I want health. All right. Oh! Oh, I didn't do it fast enough. I'm just gonna have to do this. It's kind of him to wait for me to kill his friends. I tried. Terrible. I like how he headbutts him to knock him over. I'm looking for special stuff. You know, I haven't looked at this in a while. I mean, I use this the most. Greater damage, new attacks. I rolled out of the way. Fuck. Oh, what? What? Why didn't he go into his thing again? I guess I'm not sure. I don't like that column in there. It'd be better if that column were not there. Oh, see ya, Controverso. Have a good night. I see. I have to hit circle a few times. Oh, that hurt. Like, don't even give me a chance to heal up. Come on.
I knew it was important to kill that guy because he was going to give me some help. Same here. Come on. Come on, I'm hitting circle. Hey, fucking A. Oh, that sucks. Wouldn't let me get it. Wouldn't let me get it. Boo. Boo. Ah. All right, let's play one more game of Fry's Quest. One more break before we still got an hour. It's not like we're ending soon, so. Exclamation mark join if you'd like to play. Otherwise, I will unlock it. There you go. Riku's gonna come in and play.
Deals. Where else you gonna go?
All right, 2 more coins to level up. Yeah, 2 more fries, 200 more gold. Yeah, I was gonna say, I was trying to do the calculations in my head.
Ready for action.
Ready for battle. Ready for action.
Ready for battle.
action.
Ready for sweaty?
We're closed. Get out of here.
All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back.
having a special today. On nothing. You all heal too much. I need to raise these prices.
Ready for action.
Ready for battle. Ready for action. Ready for action.
Ready for battle.
Ready for action. Ready for battle. Ready
Give 'em
for
hell,
action.
kiddo. something, will ya?
Ready for action.
Ready for battle.
Ready for battle.
We aren't calling those Neil's heels.
Ready for action. Ready for action.
No, we aren't calling those Neil's heels.
Ready for action. Ready for battle.
Shop's closed. Have fun counting sheep.
Ba-ba. How's it going, folks? Ah, you're doing fine. Oh. Hey, everybody. Hey, Hope June. How are you doing? Welcome, everyone. Uh-oh, no, not all the raiders got left behind. I don't know. We got quite a bit of people. Welcome, everyone. How's it going? How did Portal 2 go? Yay! Flaming baguettes! Only 12 more fries needed to level up. Oh, there's a raid of 22. Well, welcome, everybody. Yeah, it said 5. Yeah, something happened. Stupid. Twitch. It was fun about halfway through. Nice. Yeah, I love the Portal games. They're so awesome. I'm sad that they never made any more because they were so good. So inventive. Hey, Zab. Well, we are playing God of War, and as you can see, I'm dead. Well, thanks again, Hope. Let's do a shout out real quick. A clip from Hope's stream, and if you aren't following Hope June 123, you should go give her a follow. I know Valve doesn't really even make games anymore. So yeah, there's been yeah. Houston's not allowed to watch this game. That's funny. All right, let's watch a clip real quick. Oh, this is from the first one.
That was great. And you're all like, no way.
GLaDOS is awesome. I guess you found out from the first one that the cake was a lie. It's not real. Also, if you are easily offended from gore and blood, this game is kind of this game is intended for mature audiences only. Viewers' discretion is advised. Yeah, so I'm playing the original God of War on the PS2. Here. Welcome, everyone. I have kind of some retro consoles here. You can't really see it really well because it's black. But there's a PS2 right there, and I'm corded up to it. Remember when controllers had cords? and memory cards. So yeah, we're playing the original God of War on the PlayStation. So here we go. I died earlier. Ettridge Farms remembers those corded controllers. Bye. I come over here? No. trying to remember stuff I did earlier. Okay, this. Oh yeah, that's right. These guys. Oh yeah, didn't you Hope June? Didn't you play like a newer God of War recently, or something? Meow. Yeah, you know, actually, I bought a wireless SNES controller. Oh, you didn't finish it? Well, now you get to see what the original one was like. I don't know if it's anything like that version. It's like I gotta boop his head there. Oh, he got me. Got me. I got him. Oh, come on, I was using the right stick. Oh no, I got a new well, you can kind of see it right here. Here, let me switch. It's a new, not an original Nintendo controller, but it goes in here. Yeah, 8-bit do. Thank you. Wait, this isn't it. Oh, no, 8-bit do. Yeah, this is it. So it looks a lot like it. Yeah, just for the SNES. And so that's kind of cool. I'm sure I could find one for the PS2. Maybe I should look for one for the PS2 now. Now, I mean, I bought one for the SNES, so maybe I should buy one for the for the PS2. Does 8-bit do make them for the PS2 as well? Although, you know, I kind of like the original PS2 controllers. Nothing beats these controllers. Oh, don't look at his butt. Okay. Ah, I gotta block those. Let's come over here. Here, you. Alright, here we go. Well, that guy. We didn't like that guy. Makes like everything. Oh, I didn't know that. Get him! Blood particles. I'm doing a better job this time. Mainly because I think I took the battle over here. On any system. I guess that's what they should be doing, right? remember when this game came out, and it was like this QuickTime events. They're like revolutionary. We have never done a game like. Eat, Riku, eat. Look at that, I have full health. This is going much better than it did earlier. He fell. Your Wii U controller on a PlayStation, yeah. But why would you do that? I mean, I guess if there was a controller you really liked. Thought maybe there was stuff to go get over there. Yeah. Yeah. I could see that. Up the ladder. What do we need? We don't need much. You know what? I'm gonna go this way, because sometimes there's stuff this way. There's nothing. I've learned you need to look everywhere. Why, hello there. Don't believe I can go that direction. Let's go this direction. The road to Athens. Did I already go this way? I feel like I've gone this way. Eight-bit to wireless adapter 2. Okay. Or are you talking to, that was to Matthew J. Yeah, but I feel like I've gone this way already. Maybe not. I haven't gone this way. And it wasn't daytime, it was nighttime. The desert of lost souls.
Do not lose your soul in the desert. There goes Kratos. Off into the desert. Uh-oh. Cutscene.
The journey forward is perilous, but one you must complete if you are to have any hope of saving Athens.
The Oracle spoke of Pandora's box. Can it be real?
The box exists. It is the most powerful weapon a mortal can wield.
And with such a weapon, I could defeat Ares.
With the box, many things become possible, and so it is hidden well, far across the desert of lost souls. There is safe passage through the deadly sands, but only those who hear and follow the siren's song will discover it. You must find the sirens, Kratos. Only they can guide you to Kronos, the Titan.
A Titan lives?
Kronos is the last. Zeus has commanded him to wander the desert endlessly, the Temple of Pandora chained to his back, until the swirling sands rip the very flesh from his bones. Stay true to the song of the siren, Kratos. Your journey begins here. Pray it leads you back to Athens, with Pandora's box. Follow the song of the sirens, Kratos. Find and destroy them all, and the path through the deadly sands will be open to you.
Okay. I don't hear any song of the sirens. It's so dusty. Gonna be like, I need a drink of water. All of this dust. Oh, wait, now I'm hearing something. I hear a song. Door has a carving of a constellation. There are 3 notches at the locations of the stars. There are 3 notches at the locations of the stars. I see 4, but okay. Oh my.
You must find and destroy the 3 remaining sirens before you may pass.
Oh, where'd she go? Hey, Murray. Good morning. How have you been? Marco. You kissed too many boys. Worried I'm not going in the right direction. Well, I mean, they show boobies. You can't show sex and still be M-rated. You'd be adults only if you showed the sex. I guess you can show nudity, though. People are weird. Thought I heard a siren. A siren song. Yeah, obviously I'm at the edge now. Oh wait. Here's something. Here's something. Oh, we're just back here. We're just back here.
You must find and destroy the 3 remaining sirens before you may pass.
Let's go back and look at yeah, GTA 5 was borderline. It seems like if I go that way, go directly this way. That's America for you. I think I hear another siren. It's pretty cool. Postal 2. Interesting. They considered it that bad, huh? Yeah. I think I remember when that happened. Look at this. Oh. Oh, this is back to the beginning.
The song of the sirens, Kratos. Find and destroy them all, and the path through the deadly sands will be open to you.
Yes, God of fries. I'm wandering through the desert. I am yawning, for I am tired. Okay, we're back here. Are 3 notches at the locations.
You must find and destroy the 3 remaining sirens before you may pass.
Go straight out. Yeah. We'll go gaily forward. Well, Kratos in my story likes the company of his men. What is this? Is it? Well, okay. Well, I mean, boobs. Hey, Vanny. How's it going? Maybe there's something in there. Go back. Straight to bed. Yeah, cool, Fanny. I'm glad everything's going all right. Oh, man. No idea where I'm supposed to go. Alright, let's go back to the... I thought that's what I was looking for. And it was not. I'm sorry, I keep yawning. I don't mean to. It's all the dust. I'm falling. Okay, it was just over here. Right, there's one. See on. Where do you think you're going? Oh my.
You must find and destroy the 2 remaining sirens before you may pass.
Okay. Back in HP, exactly. He's like, I don't understand this heterosexuality. Oh, I hear another one. Marco. Like she's getting louder. Good one, Vanny. I should have said that. I feel bad that I did not say that. It seems like an obvious quote. Keep our eye out. Yes, but I do know that. I am more of a Trekkie, but I grew up a Star Wars fan. OG Star Wars. Wish there was some sort of tell. Oh, look, another. See that. Gotta be around here somewhere. Why did they make this so difficult? Oh. I feel like I've been in this area before with the siren, and now he's not doing anything. Oh, look, a new chest. Oh, wait, I see something. Oh no, that's the thing. See what it has to say now. What if we went to the other direction? We can't. Right, here we go. Gotta get this. Try to get the health. Person coming. It's getting in the sand. Two down.
You must find and destroy the final siren before you may pass.
Got him. All right. Listen for the siren. Listen. I figured it'd be near these landmarks and stuff, but that's not. Oh. Around here somewhere. Keep this. Oh, I thought I saw something. Yeah, you'd think she'd be around here somewhere. It's kind of like a little landmark. There she is. I see her. Minotaurs are in my way. I want to kill her.
The desert sirens have been destroyed. The path before you is now resumed.
Get him. Get him. And now let's head back here. And then this is where we'll end the stream. Yay, we found it. Maybe. It's 1:15. There it is. Let's do blue. There's lots of these. I'll do green this time. Yes. Not where I'm at. 57. Right. Ooh. I want to see if I can name the Desert of Lost Souls. Okay. Here, I wanted to show y'all something though. Let's see what it says. Load. Look at the save date. 2005. These are my save files from my original playthrough in 2005. Although this is like at the beginning of the game. Did I not finish this game? This is like Shipwreck, the Hydra attacks, and Docks of Athens. I thought I finished this game. Maybe I didn't. No. I'm pretty sure I did. Like, I'm having a little bit of flashbacks. Like the sewers. That definitely reminded me. I swear I had played that part. And the desert also seemed familiar. Although, you know what? Playing so many of these Legend of Zelda games, I remember wandering through deserts in Legend of Zelda as well. So maybe I'm just like associating it with different stuff. So anyway, thanks again everyone for being here. Thank you so much. Thanks Hope June for the raid. Thank you so much. Thanks Con Reverso for gifting out a sub. I know he's already gone. What else? I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, and on Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern. So I'll be back Wednesday. It is not Worst Game Wednesday, but that'll be a week from Wednesday when we'll be playing Shaq Fu. I don't know how far we are in God of War, but you know, the next game is Tears of the Kingdom, which Neil is feverishly trying to finish in the other room. If you can't be here live, go check out everything over at YouTube. YouTube.com/JPriceTV. Yeah. Thanks, Nawil. Thank you, Zab. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to all these people. They're my subscribers. They get ad-free viewing. They get all those emotes. They get extra stuff in Prize Quest. Thank y'all so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. I very much so appreciate. I appreciate all of y'all who hang out with me. You know, because the path to partner is a long one. Or at least it is. I feel like it's going to be the long one for me. 75 simultaneous viewers seems like a long way to me. But you know, it's a little bit every month, a little bit more, right? That's fine. That's fine. I appreciate all of y'all. Yeah. So I was gonna say appreciate just hanging out because it helps. Everything helps. I guess that's it. Here's our raid messages. Let's raid someone. I always want to spread the love. Is paved with fun. Exactly, Vanny. Exactly. Yeah, I kind of do, and look, I mean, I just love playing video games and sharing them with you all. And look at that stack. Look at that stack. That new stack all of y'all helped me create. Right there. That's gonna keep me busy. Oh, we've like, let's see, we're at about like maybe 16, 17, 18. I mean, we're gonna be at least over 120 games by the time we get through this stack. On the road to 200 games completed on Twitch. Let's go over to Super Nimbao, who's playing Mega Man 11. Let's do that. Super and meow. All right, there we go. Thank y'all again. I hope y'all have a great week. I hope to see you back here on Wednesday. I love and appreciate you all. Be kind to one another. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.